Did you accept the idea of wearing glasses for the rest of your life? Is there no therapeutic solution for it? Or is it that we are living creatures and our bodies have the power to heal themselves? If you want to know exactly what you need to do to completely restore the health of your eyes and put your glasses aside, join me as we have an important video. Hello to our good friends, we hope wherever you are healthy and well. I'm Dr. Gia Raymond, a complementary medicine specialist, and I want to talk about issues related to nearsightedness, farsightedness, astigmatism, and overall visual weakness. We'll tell you about their treatments, as we have no doubt in treating these problems. We have had many patients who have been treated even with a visual score of 2.5 or 3. They put their glasses aside after the treatment. The eye has an amazing structure. It is a very precise system. The best cameras currently have a few megapixels. But the eye has 1,000 megapixels of resolution, and this is truly amazing. When we investigate, we come across many wonders. The retina has a network called the curtain and reflects light, which is only the size of a pinhead and has thousands of nerve fibers. The thing that enables us to see clearly both near and far is the lens of the eye. To see far, the lens becomes very thin, and to see near, the lens becomes completely wide. The muscles of the eye hold the lens in place and regulate the lens. These eye muscles are responsible for regulating the lens of the eye, but when they are damaged, they can cause eye problems. So what are the factors and causes that lead to this? Let me tell you. The first factor is excessive anxiety and stress. How does it affect us? Anxiety and stress prevent blood flow to the eye. Our eyes are nourished by the capillaries, and anxiety and stress stimulate the sympathetic nerve. When the sympathetic nerve is stimulated, the capillaries become very narrow. When the capillaries become narrow, the eye is not nourished, and the eye muscles become weak. This is called muscle relaxation, and it cannot regulate the lens, causing the person to have blurry vision and eye weakness. The second issue is constipation, which is very important. I always emphasize in my videos that to treat any pain, we need to address constipation and identify it. When we take a patient's medical history, the first question we usually ask is whether they are constipated or not. This is very important. Sometimes people say that they don't have a problem. My stomach works once a week. If you eat 3 meals a day and only have a bowel movement once a week, you are actually constipated. If we eat 3 meals a day, we should have 3 bowel movements a day. When a person is constipated, the ptomaine poison is secreted in the body, and wherever it goes, it causes destruction. This is because it enters the digestion process and enters the bloodstream, causing problems. Seeing children who are constipated and enduring anxiety from their families, after a while, they start to wear glasses, so it is very effective, both in adults and children. The third case is immobility. When we don't move and don't exercise, the absorption of vitamins in the body decreases significantly. It is noteworthy for those who say, "I eat everything, I work hard, but I still have anemia. I have no energy." This is because absorption does not occur. Movement and exercise help to absorb vitamins better, and we need vitamins for eye health. Another factor is the rays we receive from the screen of mobile phones, monitors, and televisions. These also damage eye health. Or people who strain their eyes a lot, or people who are awake at night. All of these cause us to have weak eyesight, so dealing with each of the causes is very important, and we should give a lot of importance to this part for treatment. Before we go to treatment, don't forget to like this video. We talked about vitamin A for you. We said that we need vitamin A for eye health, which everyone knows. Now, what foods help? Someone who has this problem should use 3 cups of orange fruit nectar daily. The best is to use mango nectar. This nectar is extraordinary and has very positive effects. In a few months, you can get your eye health, but the point here is that we need to add a little bit of olive oil in orange juice. The reason for this is very clear. Olive oil helps with better absorption. Since vitamin A is fat-soluble, we need a little bit of olive oil. The next fruit is persimmon or carrot. 3 cups daily with olive oil. Use orange, tangerine, grapefruit, and any orange-colored fruit nectar in their own season. The next fruit that you can use as a fruit or dessert also needs to be used daily as needed. It is pumpkin. It has extraordinary effects. All of these help you. Well, the next point is treatment, which is the frequent use of olive oil. We recommend using either olive oil or sesame oil for consumption, because it helps to thin the blood and also increases the absorption of nutrients in the body. Since we said for eye nutrition, when the capillaries become narrow, this happens, and anything that thickens the blood, the capillaries become narrow again. So olive oil and sesame oil are one of those things that thin the blood. What can I do locally to solve this problem as quickly as possible? You need 3 10-day periods to use for those cases. In the first 10 days, use fresh lemon juice. It is better to dilute it with warm boiled water in the first few days. Because if you put fresh lemon juice directly into your eyes at first, you will have to endure a lot of burning. It is better to dilute it with water. With boiling in warm water, pour it inside the cup. Do not pour it directly onto the iris. Pour it into the corner of the eye. Don't worry, nothing will happen to your eye. It's not like because your eye is irritated, it's dangerous now. We have been using this therapeutic solution for our patients for years. Well, that was the first 10 days. For the next 10 days, you'll use the fennel extract. Make sure you use high-quality organic fennel extract. Pour it into the dropper and put it in your eye every night. When the 10 days are up, we reach the third 10 days. The third 10 days consist of using warm water and honey. Your honey must be completely organic. Dissolve it in cool boiled water. Pour it into the dropper. During the day, you can also put some drops of honey water in your eye 2 or 3 times. Now, after this period, should I stop? Is 3 to 10 days enough? It depends on your condition. If you see improvement, then you should continue. How? We go back to the first 10 days and continue in the same way. There was an 8-year-old boy who recovered with this treatment method during 3 months. One of those things that he had to continuously eat was mango. I want to tell you how to make mango juice because of its importance. We need a glass of water, chopped mango pieces, a spoonful of honey, and half a fresh lime. Mix all of these in a blender, drink it sip by sip. 3 cups per day. We have a very simple way of treating diseases. With changes in lifestyle and dealing with the causes of illnesses, we have been very successful. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss our videos. Turn on the bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded.